Having trouble downloading iCloud files using the Apple Files app? You're not alone. In this video, we'll discuss common issues and solutions for files not downloading from iCloud Drive. Part 1. Why won't a file download from iCloud? Poor internet connection, insufficient storage, file type and size, problems with software and systems, synchronization errors. Part 2. iCloud files not downloading? Try these 10 fixes. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Fix 2. Restart your iPhone. Fix 3. Turn on cellular data for the Files app and iCloud. Fix 4. Toggle on or off airplane mode. Fix 5. Re-enable the iCloud Drive. Fix 6. Check Apple system status. Fix 7. Ensure supported file types and sizes. Fix 8. Sign out of Apple ID and sign back in. Fix 9. Update your iPhone or iPad. Fix 10. Reset all iPhone settings. Bonus: download files from iCloud to PC Flexibly. If you're tired of trying various solutions to resolve the issue of iCloud Drive files not downloading, consider turning to the convenient and secure third-party iCloud data download tool, Mobican Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Install Doctor for iOS. Launch it and select Recover from iCloud. Log in with your iCloud account and enter the verification code. Step 2. View backup files by category. Choose the files you want and click Next. Step 3. After scanning, preview and select the files. Click Recover to Computer to start downloading.